Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I'll keep it very short in this video because there has not been much change since the last video, so we're just still following here this wave pattern. I'm going to show you here first the bearish count in the lower time frame. The bullish and the bearish counts, they don't really differ much. I would expect in both primarily another drop in a wave 5 here. That wave 5 may have started after we saw here a wave 4 in a triangle that peaked at around 47.9 cents. A break above 47.9 cents would invalidate this particular wave pattern, or would suggest actually wave 5 was already in as a double bottom. That is possible, even though I can't see 5 waves down. So I would be looking at least look at one clearer wave 5 down. That would be ideal. That is what I would want to see. And then we're looking here at this pattern, I mean, ideally what we would like to see is proportions, so I can calculate here the length of that wave C, and we look at possibly here the possibly looking here at the possible length. I mean, this could take us down to 42.8 cents. I think that's unrealistic. The wave 5 would be very long. But we can also take the measurement of the length of the wave 1 and to add it to the high of the wave 4. And then a first key target would be the 44.7 cent level. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. Now we don't need to get down there. Any low below the wave 3 would be valid for a wave 5. And in both the bullish and bearish scenarios, I would then expect a move up here in the bearish scenario in a wave Y. So this would be a corrective move to finish off this W, X, Y wave pattern. Okay, so that's what we would primarily expect here in this scenario. Rising prices to stay, however, ideally then in the move up below 54.3 cents. And also here the alternative scenario was an Elliott wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Also here the ideal target would be 54.3 cents, and we could just be here in the wave E and then start the downtrend. That would be the bearish scenario, in which we would expect first lower, then higher, and then the sell-off. And in the bullish scenario, the lower level wave count is the same. I mean, we now have a possible double bottom in place. That is possible. Don't get me wrong, it's possible. We've come very close to my target area, which starts at 45.8 cents. We've come down to 46.1. Bear in mind, we talked about this target area when the price was up here, okay, at around 50 cents at the peak here. We talked about this as an A, B, overshooting wave B, and a C. So I think we've come really, really close to it. Sometimes these are not reached 100%. This is just what it is. Sometimes the market turns before we reach them, but overall, as I said, also in the bearish count, ideally I would see another move down. Difference to the bearish scenario is that the targets are the same. It's just that this would not be a wave X low, it would be a wave 2 low, and we would expect higher highs after that. That would take us above that red area here, above 55.7 cents. So but primary expectation would be first a move down. This would become, this would change if we go above 48 cents, and that's true for the bullish and the bearish scenarios, because this is the high of the wave 4, 47.9, 48 cents. If we break above this level, we're probably not going to see lower lows. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.